hallucination is nothing. Action is something. I will have people ask me so many times, your use of sacred plants and fungi without actually saying the sacred part, without actually maybe saying plants and fungi. They might be speaking in the language of some sort of movie, maybe, if I'm being polite. And they'll say it. In nature, if trees could cough, they might signal the human to do it for them. And I experienced those moments. And then the freaking funny part is when they really still can't say if what they're worried about is happening or not. Such as a hallucination. Is he hallucinating? Does he talk to stuffed animals like it's his children? And then I'll say, are you real? And that might make you lose your shit.